Fix it till it's broken. Quick tips and tricks. It's quite a tongue twister, I must admit. But if you're looking for advice, here's the one to pick.
Yeah, this morning I just wanted to share a quick tool that I've only just discovered. Maybe everyone else has known about it, and I've been living under a rock for the past 53 years. But yeah, it's these. These came in a kit from Temu, less than $8 for the both of them. And they're for cleaning out your runners and guides on windows and sliding doors. They both came in the one kit. So not only have you got a brush, a narrower one to get in narrow ones, and a softer, bigger one for bigger channels, but they each come with their own little shovel or spoon to shovel out the dirt as you sweep them up. Yeah, maybe they've been around for years and I just haven't known about them. I've been messing around with a vacuum cleaner, screwdrivers and everything else. But yeah, if you already know about them, let me know, or if I'm an idiot, let me know. Let me know in the comments. But yeah, they're a pretty nifty little thing. You just get in there and sweep your channel out, sweep it all up one end, and then you can pick it up, all the dead flies. And we've had an invasion of what are they? Millipedes the past few weeks. So yeah, you just sweep it all one end, and then you can use your little shovel to get it out, and it's all good. So yeah. Oh, hang on, I'll use a narrower channel for that one. That's got a narrow gap, so you've got two different sizes, and you can get them out where you ordinarily wouldn't be able to get it all out. All the horrible dead flies and dead squashed millipedes. Anyway, just a quick one for today for anyone who isn't aware of them things. Get on Temu and buy them. If you already know about them, then why would you bother watching this? And call me an idiot in the comments. As a bit of a side note, while I'm on the subject of awesome things for cheap, check out my new phone cover. How cool's that? $5.17. It's just as good as the cover I got fitted at a camera shop for, a phone shop for, I don't know how many dollars it was. This one doesn't come with the glass screen though. But yeah, how cool is it? I thought it was alright. Till next time, see you later.
They told me, if it's not broken, don't fix it. So I fixed it anyway. And then I fixed it again and again and again, until it finally broke.